Hello guys, I'm going insane. Fucking bullshit. Hello guys, I'm going insane and also kind of going mad because so all right, sound is off. So I'm trying to install Roshade, right? It's a shader mod for it's a shader mod for what do you think? It's a shader mod for Roblox. And I have been going mad trying to install it. It works just fine with my friend, but doesn't work on my computer. So that's the thing I don't understand. Like, but like seriously, I'm just gonna show you the pain I'm going through. So it works just fine with my friend's computer. Just gonna close Roblox, uninstall it maybe. Download Roshade. It's installed. Yeah, alright, go through, read that. I already read it. And now select the keys. F7 and F8 are gonna most likely come in the way, so of course, home and end. I don't think my RTX 2070, I'm just gonna remove that because I don't have a RTX recommended requirement. I don't have an NVIDIA RTX 2070 and AMD RX 5 negative on that. This maybe just hold it, and this is just good. Install, yeah. Oh, my game just froze. What the fuck? My mouse just froze and it's stuck in place. What the fuck? Alright, go. Holy shit. Did it work? I don't know, but I'm waiting for that logo on the top left. Home, end, F7, F8. Control 7, 8. I don't have FN. Nothing's working. Well, Grace, someone help me, please. I'm going insane.